Hi, my name is Louva and I'm one of the Imagi girls. I wanted to become an Imagi girl because I've always loved coding and I thought it was such a great idea to meet new people. A fun fact, sometimes when I need to make a decision, I use my imagi charm. For example, today was a really busy day at school and I thought to myself, should I do my homework or should I watch on Netflix? So, I coded my imagi charm to decide for me. For example, my teacher will be really happy knowing that I'll be doing my homework tonight. And I saved so much time by not overthinking, so I have time for both homework and Netflix. How cool is that? And I already have an idea for a great new project. What should I watch on Netflix? So, that's your task. Use your imagi charm next time you need to make a decision. I'll be waiting for your projects in the gallery. Good luck!